Hello friends, you're watching Number channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can block or unblock any number, or how you can add number in blacklist in Realme Narzo 30 Pro or Narzo 30 Pro 5G. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So if you want to block or unblock any number in Realme Narzo 30 Pro or Narzo 30 Pro 5G, simply first of all you just need to open contacts and then go to contact settings and follow every step as I'm showing you in this video.